Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to invest using Yahoo Finance. First, understand that Yahoo Finance is a powerful platform for financial information, not a brokerage itself. It provides a wealth of data to help you make informed investment decisions. You'll use it to research potential investments, track market trends, and monitor your portfolio's performance. Think of it as your go-to resource for market intelligence before you place any trades with your chosen broker. Once you're on Yahoo Finance, begin your research by using the search bar to find specific assets like stocks or exchange-traded funds. Dive into the company's profile page, where you'll find crucial financial metrics such as revenue, profit margins, and earnings per share. Pay close attention to the interactive charts to analyze historical price movements over various periods, from 1 day to 5 years or more. Also, read the latest news and expert opinions to get a well-rounded view. After gathering data, it's time to analyze and make informed decisions. Utilize Yahoo Finance's comparison tools to weigh different investment options side by side. Scrutinize financial statements, including the income statement and balance sheet, to understand a company's health. Always assess the associated risks and think about how a new investment fits into your overall diversification strategy. Remember to align your choices with your personal financial objectives and comfort level with risk. It's important to remember that Yahoo Finance is a research platform, not a brokerage. You will execute your actual trades through a separate online brokerage account like Fidelity or Charles Schwab. Once you've made your investments, use Yahoo Finance to create a personalized watch list. This allows you to easily monitor the performance of your holdings and stay updated on relevant market news. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and market conditions is key to successful long-term investing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.